Hi guys, this is Pipli and welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. Welcome to the fifth episode of Positivity with Pipli. My topic for today is how to escape from the prison of negative thoughts. So there are days when we are full of negative thoughts and we can't think of anything positive, and it's very difficult for us to come out of that negative zone. And it's very normal and natural. It happens to me as well. Negative feeling and thinking will shackle you to a life which is unfulfilling. So if you want to achieve something in life, then you have to work towards it. You have to stretch your potentiality. You need to escape from the self imprisonment of negative thoughts. So I have thought of few ways in which you can deal with such negative thoughts and make yourself more positive. So without any further ado, let's get started. Number one, speak to your negative thoughts. When we try to ignore our negative thoughts, it doesn't go away. Rather, it pops up in our mind every now and then, and we always have this fear of negativity, and it creates an atmosphere of negativity which is harmful for our relationship, for our health, and for our mental health. So in order to escape from it, you have to counteract them. You have to recognize the negative thoughts. You have to face the negative thoughts. The problem doesn't lie that we have negative thoughts, but the problem arises when we start thinking that those negative thoughts are true. But if we disconnect ourselves from the negative thoughts, then the thoughts start losing their grip on us and start losing their power to generate even more negative thoughts. Another pattern of negative thoughts is to constantly criticize our own self and think that we are not good enough. Stop doing that, because don't be so harsh on yourself. Stop focusing on your flaws and your weaknesses. Start focusing on your strengths. Start working on your strengths and try to improve your flaws, but don't over criticize yourself. Always think that you are good in some way or the other. The third way to deal is to get around positive people. Try to attract positivity. Try to attract positive people around you and throw away the toxic people who are toxic in your life and brings out negativity and spread negativity. And always focus on positive things and always try to be around people who are positive and optimistic. Number 4 is regret and guilt. There is nothing negative about reflecting on your past experiences, because past experiences help us to grow and mature as a human being. But the problem arises the minute we start dwelling in our past experiences and don't want to learn or grow. Next thing is try to adopt a positive attitude. Once you wake up in the morning, try to make it a choice that you will have a positive outlook throughout the day. Start with each day. Make yourself believe that today I will be positive throughout the day. Then try it then again the next day. I think you will start being a more positive person at the end of the week. So try to have a more positive outlook and a positive attitude, because attitude is a choice. I try to become a positive person. It's not like that every day I am positive. I am trying to grow as a positive person. I'm trying to spread positivity. You have to make yourself believe that I will try to focus on the positive sides of everything and not only the negative side. Life is full of ups and downs. You have to try to look at the brighter side. It's very difficult, but this is a habit that you have to develop over time. This is a habit that I have tried develop. I have never been a very positive person, but I have tried to develop myself as a person full of positive thoughts, and I try to look at each and every situation, each and every scenario in my life in a positive aspect. The next thing that you can do is you can tap into the root problems. Now, each and every negative thoughts that come up in our mind has some root problem which cannot be seen from the surface level. So there are some problems which you have to identify in order to understand why these negative thoughts are coming up. So when you realize and identify that problem, it becomes much more easier to come out of that negative sphere or atmosphere. The next step is very important, and I believe in the most, which is the power of forgiveness. Many times we don't forgive another person because we want them to pay, and for us to not forgive them is something which is a sort of a punishment. But what we don't understand is that forgiveness is something which will help you to let go of the past and move forward. If you don't forgive a person, then you are still in that zone, and you are still in that negative zone, and you are not moving forward. Forgiveness is a very necessary step for releasing your negativity. When we truly forgive someone, then we also go through a healing process of being more compassionate, of being more optimistic, and in the process of forgiving another person, we actually let go of your negative thoughts and start being more positive. The last step is be a force for good. Our world is full of toxic people, toxicity, negativity, negative actions, but try to convert your negative thoughts into a positive one. Try to be a good person, a good human being, and a positive force. Try to do something positive every day. Try to embrace positivity. Let go of your anger, your frustrations, your bitterness, and start forgiving. Start being more compassionate. Start treating people equally. Start being kind to each and every life that is on this earth. You will feel much more positive, and you will be a force full of positivity. And try to convert your anger into something good. Try to convert your anger into something positive. And that is what I do. That is the reason I do these kinds of videos, in order to do my part, in order to encourage the other people. The power to change and to embrace positivity comes from inside. Only you are capable of reframing your mindset and converting it into a more positive one. I feel that within each and every individual there is a positive side, there is a good soul, and try to nurture that. Try to make positivity a habit every day. That's it for today. Hope you like this video, and if you did so, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay positive. Bye.